Alaikum warahmatullahi friends. One hadith, one story. Today's story title is Hide and Seek. Ihsan was playing hide and seek with his friends. When it was time to hide, he found a good hiding place behind the chestnut tree near the street. It would be hard to find him there. Just then, an old man with a white beard came up to him. The man was a stranger. "Son, I need directions. Can you help me?" the old man said. Ihsan turned around and put his finger to his lips, signaling the old man that he should be quiet. The man did not understand why he needed to be quiet and looked at Ihsan in surprise. He asked, "Why do you want me to be quiet? I asked you a question. If you know the answer, just tell me. If you don't, just shake your head. I cannot understand the kids in town. They are so strange," the old man grumbled. When the person who was it saw the old man talking to someone behind the tree, he realized that someone must be hiding there. He approached silently. The old man, who was growing impatient, said, "Obviously, no one has taught these children the following hadith. It is charity to give directions to someone who is searching for a place." He turned away and walked off. Ihsan felt ashamed of what he had done. He forgot about the game he was playing. He ran after the man and asked for his forgiveness. Then he took him to the place he was looking for. Friends, always try to help when someone asks you for directions. And always remember the hadith I just read. I hope you like the story. Jazakallah for watching. Allah Hafiz.